Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel where we find the gear that actually makes everyday life better. If you are sick of lids that leak in your bag, tumblers that sweat all over your desk, or bottles that make you choose between keeping your drink hot or actually being able to drink it without spilling everywhere, then stay right here. Today we are reviewing the Owala SmoothSip Slider Tumbler. This insulated stainless steel tumbler combines a leak-proof slider lid, smooth sipping spout, double wall vacuum insulation, and a design that feels premium without the crazy price tag. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this tumbler is changing how people stay hydrated on the go. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to grab yours and help support the channel at the same time. Let us go through every feature so you know exactly what makes this tumbler stand out. The body is made of high-grade stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation that keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. Real-world tested in summer heat and winter mornings. The SmoothSip slider lid is the star. You push the slider back with your thumb and it locks open for smooth, splash-free drinking. No awkward straws or flipping flaps. When you slide it closed, it creates a completely leak-proof seal, even if the tumbler gets tossed in a bag or knocked over. The lid is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. The tumbler itself is also dishwasher safe on the top rack, though hand washing the lid is recommended for longest life. It comes in a ton of fun colours and patterns so you can match your style or easily spot it in the fridge. The handle is comfortable and wide enough for big hands, and there is a small loop for attaching a carabiner or strap. Capacity is 24 ounces, big enough for all-day hydration but not so huge it feels bulky. The base is narrow enough to fit in most car cup holders. Setup is zero effort. Wash it before first use, fill it with your drink, slide the lid open when you want to sip, slide it closed when you are done. No buttons, no parts to lose, no complicated assembly. Real-world use is where this tumbler really proves itself. I take it to the gym and it survives being tossed in my bag, no leaks, no spills on my laptop. On road trips, the cold water stays cold even after hours in the sun. At the office, it keeps my coffee hot through morning meetings and iced tea cold through the afternoon. The slider is so smooth, you can drink while driving without taking your eyes off the road. The insulation is impressive. Ice stays frozen for a full day and hot drinks stay drinkable for half a day. It is perfect for people who hate warm water, hate spills, or hate bulky bottles that do not fit anywhere. Pros and cons. Time to keep everything transparent. The pros are strong. The leak-proof slider lid really is leak-proof. Tested upside down in a bag and nothing came out. Insulation performance is excellent, matching or beating many more expensive brands. The smooth sipping spout feels natural, no loud slurping or awkward angles. The tumbler is durable. Drops, bumps, and daily use have not scratched or dented it noticeably. It is dishwasher safe and easy to clean. The color options are fun and high quality. The price is very competitive for the features. Users consistently say it is the first tumbler they have owned that actually stays leak-proof and keeps drinks at the right temperature all day. On the con side, the lid does require a firm push to open and close, which some people with limited hand strength might find a little stiff at first. The tumbler is on the heavier side when full because of the thick insulation and stainless steel. It is not completely indestructible. If you drop it from a high height on concrete, the bottom can dent. The slider mechanism collects a little condensation if you go from cold to hot drinks quickly, but it is minor. These are small trade-offs and they do not affect the core experience for the vast majority of users. My recommendation? Yes, 100%. Get the Owala SmoothSip Slider Tumbler if you want a leak-proof, well-insulated tumbler that actually works for daily life. Gym, office, car, travel, home. It is perfect for people who hate spills, need temperature control all day, or just want a tumbler that feels premium without the premium price tag. If these honest, everyday gear reviews are helping you find tools that simplify life, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this convinced you to ditch leaky bottles, give it a like, share with a friend who always spills, or subscribe for more. See you next time.